Ever wondered why some people walk into a room and instantly command attention, and others shrink into the background, even though they're just as capable? The difference isn't talent, it's confidence. And here's the truth. Confidence isn't inherited, it's a skill. And today I'll show you how to build it. Confidence doesn't grow in your head, it grows in motion. Overthinking kills confidence, action builds it. You don't become confident by waiting to feel ready. You become confident by doing it anyway. The more you act, the more you prove to yourself that you can handle life. Your brain is always watching. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, whether it's waking up early, working out, or showing up, you're telling your brain, I can count on me. That's where real self-confidence comes from. Not loud affirmations, but quiet self-trust. Every confident person you admire has one thing in common. They've made peace with discomfort. Growth feels awkward, messy, uncertain. But if you can get comfortable being uncomfortable, you'll do things 99% of people avoid. And that's where confidence lives. We all have an inner critic, that voice that says you're not smart enough, strong enough, or worthy enough. But here's the secret. You don't have to believe it. Thoughts are not facts. When that voice speaks up, question it, challenge it, turn down the volume. Confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from seeing progress. Celebrate the 1% gains, the small wins. Every time you take one step forward, you're proving to yourself that you're growing, and growth is the backbone of confidence. Confidence is contagious. Surround yourself with people who see your potential, not your flaws. The right circle will challenge you, cheer for you, and remind you who you are, especially when you forget. Everyone fails, but confident people know that failure isn't the end, it's just feedback. Every mistake teaches you something. Every setback builds resilience. The only real failure is never trying. Confidence doesn't mean being hard on yourself. It means being on your own team. Beating yourself up doesn't make you stronger. It just wears you down. Speak to yourself the way you'd speak to a friend. That's strength. Confidence grows when you prove to yourself that you're capable of learning. Every new skill you learn, no matter how small, rebuilds your belief in yourself. The more you grow, the more you trust your ability to rise to any challenge. Movement isn't just for physical health, it's confidence fuel. Exercise boosts mood, energy, and self-esteem. It reminds you of your power. You don't need a gym. A simple walk, stretch, or dance break can instantly upgrade how you feel about yourself. Confidence comes after courage. Speak up in meetings, share your ideas, say what's on your heart. Every time you speak, you're telling your brain that your voice matters, and eventually it starts to believe you. Confidence dies in comparison. Social media shows highlights, not real life. You are on your own timeline. Focus on your path, your progress, your purpose. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. People who believe in themselves ask. They ask for help, feedback, raises, opportunities. Don't assume people will just notice your value. Tell them. Ask clearly. Ask boldly. Every time you advocate for yourself, your confidence multiplies. Saying yes to everyone can drain your confidence. You can't pour from an empty cup. Confident people protect their time, energy, and values. Saying no doesn't make you rude, it makes you real. What you wear affects how you feel. You don't need expensive clothes, just intentional ones. Dress like someone who matters, because you do. The mirror should reflect who you're becoming, not just how you feel today. Our brains focus on what we repeat. Most of us replay failures. But what if you celebrated every win? Every time you finish a workout, hit a deadline, help a friend, record it. Over time, you build a highlight reel of your strength. Self-talk shapes self-worth. Instead of asking, "Why do I always mess up?" ask, "What's the lesson here?" Great questions unlock powerful answers and lead to a more confident, curious you. When you can enjoy your own company, confidence becomes unshakable. Doing things alone shows you that you don't need approval or a +1 to live fully. Independence breeds strength. Your environment impacts your confidence. A messy space can create mental noise. Clean your room, your desk, your digital life. When your surroundings are in order, your focus sharpens and confidence follows. When you do hard things, especially when you don't feel like it, you prove to yourself that you're in control. Confidence isn't comfort. It's the pride of doing what others avoid. Confidence grows when you honor your limits. Don't let people guilt trip or bulldoze you. Boundaries are how you protect your energy, your peace, your values. They're not walls, they're gates. Your brain responds to mental rehearsals. Athletes use it. Performers use it. You can too. Close your eyes and picture yourself walking, talking, and acting with confidence. The mind doesn't know the difference. It will rise to your vision. Confidence isn't about impressing others. It's about accepting yourself. When you stop performing and start being real, you attract what's meant for you. You were never meant to fit in. You were meant to stand out. Most people wait for the perfect moment. Confident people create it. You become ready by starting. Take the leap. Begin messy. Confidence catches up once you're already in motion. Finally, just remember, confidence isn't a destination. It's a daily decision. And you don't need to be louder, bolder, or more extroverted. You just need to be a little braver than yesterday. You already have what it takes. You always did. If this video helped you, hit like so it helps someone else too. And don't forget to subscribe to The Growth Theory for more weekly videos on confidence, mindset, and personal growth. You've got the controller to your life. Use it wisely.